If you're trying to join a server in Palworld but keep getting the connection timed out error, this guide will walk you through several methods that have helped many players fix the issue. Make sure you follow each step carefully. Before we begin, it's worth mentioning that this is a very common problem. Many players have reported the same error on the official Palworld Discord server and other community forums, so you're definitely not the only one experiencing it. Let's start with the easiest fix. If you're hosting the server yourself, completely shut down the server, wait a few seconds, and then start it again before trying to reconnect. A simple server restart has resolved the connection timed out error for many players. If the problem continues and you're using playit.gg, check your server's game port configuration. Instead of leaving the game port set to the default 8211, make sure it matches the external port assigned by playit.gg. For example, many users changed the game port from 8211 to the external port provided by playit.gg, and this resolved their connection issues after recent updates. To change it, open your server settings, go to Network and Ports, and update the game port so it matches the external playit.gg port. Now try connecting to the server again. If you're not using playit.gg or the error still appears, the next thing to check is your PalworldSettings.ini file. Navigate to your Palworld installation folder. The default Steam location is Steam Arrow, Steam Apps, Arrow Common Arrow, Palworld Arrow, Pal Arrow Saved Arrow Config. Inside the config folder, open the PalworldSettings.ini file using a text editor. Find the following setting: bAllowMultiplayer equals true. Make sure it's set to true. If it's set to false, change it to true. Save the file and restart your server. If you don't know where your game is installed, open Steam, go to your library, right-click Palworld, select Manage, and then click Browse Local Files. Steam will open the installation folder automatically, allowing you to navigate to the config folder. If you're renting a server from a hosting provider such as gPortal, the issue could be related to the server's IP address. Several players reported that after contacting gPortal support and requesting a new server IP, the connection timed out error was resolved immediately. If you're trying to join a friend's world instead of a dedicated server, you should also check your NAT type. Both players should ideally have an open NAT type. You can usually achieve this by enabling UPnP on your router or forwarding the required ports manually. Hopefully, one of these solutions helped you fix the connection timed out error. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more Palworld tutorials, multiplayer fixes, and PC gaming guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.